Ever booked a dream vacation and then scrambled to figure out how you'd spend money there? Maybe you've heard of YouTrip, the travel card promising fee-free adventures. But can you actually deposit money into YouTrip like a traditional bank account? Hold your horses, Globetrotters. YouTrip works a little differently. Buckle up as we unpack the secrets of topping up your YouTrip card and making the most of its features. Why YouTrip doesn't do deposits, but that's okay. Think of YouTrip as a prepaid travel buddy, not a bank account. You can't directly deposit your salary or savings into it. Instead, you top up your YouTrip card with funds before your trip. This way, you manage your travel expenses separately and avoid any nasty surprises when your bank statement arrives. So how do you actually get money onto YouTrip? Here's the exciting part. YouTrip offers two super convenient top-up methods. Pay Now Power. This is a Singaporean instant fund transfer service. If you bank with DBS, OCBC, UOB, or other participating banks, you can simply link your accounts and zap funds over to YouTrip in seconds. Talk about instant travel-ready cash. Card it up. Got a trusty Visa or MasterCard debit or credit card? YouTrip lets you top up directly from the card. Just be aware that a 1.5% service fee applies to top-ups using credit cards. Pro tip alert. Planning a trip with friends? YouTrip allows you to split bills easily. Pay for dinner with your YouTrip card and have your travel buddies send their share directly to your YouTrip account using Pay Now. No more awkward fumbling for cash or trying to figure out exchange rates. Travel bliss achieved. Beyond top-ups, the YouTrip advantage. While deposits aren't a thing, YouTrip shines in other ways that make travel smoother. Multi-currency marvel, YouTrip lets you hold and spend in 9 different currencies, eliminating the need for multiple cards or expensive currency exchange booths. Fee-free frenzy, YouTrip boasts 0 hidden fees for overseas spending, transactions, and ATM withdrawals, subject to daily withdrawal limits. Competitive exchange rates, YouTrip uses transparent, wholesale exchange rates, so you get the best bang for your buck. Real-time tracking, keep tabs on your spending with the YouTrip app. Track your transactions, monitor currency balances, and top up on the go, all in the palm of your hand. YouTrip, your travel money BFF. While YouTrip might not be a traditional bank account, it's a powerful tool for managing your travel expenses. With secure and convenient top-up options, multi-currency flexibility, and fee-free spending, YouTrip takes the stress out of travel finances. So ditch the deposit dilemma and embrace the YouTrip way. Top up your travel wallet with ease, explore the world with peace of mind, and focus on making those vacation memories last a lifetime. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.